right, check it. Here we are. Beautiful Hilton Field. It's a beautiful day. Whatever storm or tropical, what was it? Tropical storm? Was it even a tropical storm? Do we know?
Started with an A. I don't know.
Something. Agatha.
Whatever.
Alberta. Has blown by. So we're out here flying. It's actually a nice day. We got the Stinger 90. Tony's not loving the servos on this. They're glitchy a little bit. That's all right. It'll be fine. What battery we're running?
It's the 52 Hubu.
Again, a Hubu 5200. He just flew, I think it was the L39 with a different Hubu, and one of the cells was all kind of wonky. It's a gorgeous day. It's hot, but oh well. Welcome to Florida. Light winds out of the south, I guess. All right, buddy, you're clear for takeoff. And he's off. Flaps up. Gear up. This Stinger is underappreciated. Not by me. Uh-oh, something happened. But by Tony. He bought this off a guy and it wasn't in the shape that the guy promised, so it's... You gotta come in? Okay, we're aborting the flight. Seems to be an issue with the Stinger. It's a short flight. Looks like he's going to be able to walk away with this one in one piece. That was a beautiful landing. I don't know what was going on. Okay, it's a diver. We got Al going up and some kind of, I think that's an extra. That was pretty nasty there. Just get Al. Finest 3D acrobatics. What kind of plane is that, Al?
That's a 300 extra.
That's what I thought. Extreme flight, right? Who else? I have one of those. Maybe a couple of flights on it and somebody ran over the tail. Crushed the tail. Oh well, that's life. We're gonna go again? Yeah. Okay, all right.
The elevators were way off center.
All right. I don't know where to look now. Where the hell did Al go?
I kept, getting up elevator and it wasn't climbing. I'm like, what the hell? So I had to fly it on elevator stick halfway down just to keep it level.
Okay.
You think I fixed that?
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna take off again. I had an issue with my elevator.
There's Al.
How you doing, Al? So your elevator's not going all the way to the top. Nope.
Al's keeping it high. Let's see if he does something gnarly here.
Alright, let's try this again.
All right, here we go. Stinger.
Stinger.
90. Bought in the parking lot
You take off, I'll be coming in.
of
I'm taking off now.
Boston Market, I think it was. All right, he's up again. Flaps up, gear up. Feeling better?
Yep, much better.
Okay. All right, things could have gotten interesting there. So we got Al here with his extra 300. He's gonna land it. He's long. Why is he so long? All right. Woo. There goes the Stinger. I think the Stinger precedes the Avanti as far as age. And before the Avanti was out, I think this was considered the best sport jet out there. However, it never managed to gain the cult following that the Avanti S from Freewing has. Was that full?
Yep.
That's Tony's problem with it. He likes them faster. How's Tony fast? Do you have telemetry set up on this one, Tony?
Well, I mean, not the speed, but
Just the battery call out?
the voltage, yep.
That looked like about 100.
Yeah, this thing is not that fast.
All right. Whew. Alright, nice roll there. Turn it in. There's Tony's Jeep, the red Jeep right there. We took that to the Ocala National Forest last week. It's an 80-mile off-road trail right through the middle of the forest. And you're out there and you're having fun, but we took some drone shots. And Tony put a little video up on his YouTube channel. And those drone shots, when that drone's, a couple of 100 feet up in the air and it just pans out. Oh my God, I didn't realize. I didn't realize how far in the middle of nowhere we were. There's nothing, absolutely nothing, not even a cell tower. As far as the eye can see, horizon to horizon, it's just green trees. Glad we didn't get stuck out there. That would have been bad. It took us 8 hours to make it through.
Alright, slow pass.
Slow pass. Beastie Boy. Slow and low, that is the tempo. Here we go. Beastie Boy pass. Oh, very nice. Dude, that thing flies very nice low. I heard a little bit of throttle, maybe like 5 clicks of throttle.